How to stream Paramount Plus on Discord. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can stream Paramount Plus on Discord. So if you want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps. Once you're logged into your Discord, go to the server or the chat where you want to stream, and after that go to the voice channels and click on General. Tap on Share Your Screen in the bottom, that is between Turn on your camera and Start an Activity option. Click on Entire Screen or go to the window and select the specific tab that you'd like to share. Also toggle the switch of Share System Audio and then tap on Share and you will start streaming. Now when you share your screen while using the streaming services like Netflix, Prime Video or Paramount Plus, your friends might only see a black screen. This problem exists whether you use the Discord desktop or web app. To bypass it, you need to disable the hardware acceleration. So to disable the hardware acceleration on Google Chrome and other Chromium-based browsers, you need to click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen and then go to Settings. Now go to System, that you will find between the Accessibility and Reset settings. Now simply toggle the switch of Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Once you disable the toggle, you will be done. So that's it for today. This is exactly how you can stream on Discord with Paramount Plus. So if you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.